we have made it to dinner. We could not decide on one place to go, so we have 3. Yes. This has officially turned into a food tour. Good morning from a quiet day here in Savannah. We are starting the day with a quiet walk along the river, and then we're gonna check out the squares around town. I have my hat on, which is perfect for Savannah, and I'm ready to go. We've made our way off of the river walk and we're now in the historical part of Savannah. We're gonna head over to the Colonial Park Cemetery. The cemetery is from the 1780s, but it's also a park, so we're gonna go check it out. We're also getting a lot of views of Spanish moss, so this is gonna be pretty cool. Stopped at Maryville Coffee for some iced peppermint mochas, and now we're on our way to Forsyth Park. Second cup of coffee for the day. It's so good. I think the fountain at Forsyth Park is probably the biggest tourist attraction, but there's this huge green open space that reminds us both a lot of Central Park. So if you're here in the summer, bring a soccer ball or a frisbee. It'd be a great place to spend a few hours outside. It's been really fun to explore the squares. This is Chippewa Square, which is busier than the other squares because this is where they filmed Forrest Gump. In the Life is Like a Box of Chocolates clip, Forrest Gump is actually sitting in this square with that statue behind him. So it's a little busier here, but it's a nice day to walk through all the squares and check out how gorgeous Savannah is. Planning to take a few minutes, go back to the hotel, go for a run, and then out to dinner tonight. We are not leaving Savannah until tomorrow, so it's exciting to spend more time here. This has exceeded expectations. We have perfect weather today. Tomorrow, I think it's supposed to rain. I think it's probably 65 and sunny today, so we're gonna enjoy it while we're here. Wow. When we came by the cathedral earlier today, it was closed for service, but it looks like it's open now. So we're headed to the hotel, but we're gonna stop in and take a look. Okay, we have made it to dinner. We could not decide on one place to go, so we have three. Yes. So this has officially turned into a food tour. We've officially arrived at our first destination, the Crystal Beer Parlor. We're sitting outside in the tent. We're starting with the crab dip and then splitting the shrimp and grits and Caesar salad, along with
Mountain Jam and ESB, which is an amber ale.
tastes like warm chip dip with crab.
Good.
We have a nice pile of grits, so much cheese sauce, and a ton of shrimp. This is perfect. So good. Stop number 2 is Treylor Park. No phone here. Stop 3 is Sorry Charlie's. This is Courtney's first time trying oysters, so it'll be fun to see how she likes them. This is my first time having a roasted oyster. These have garlic, Parmesan, and breadcrumbs. Oh, that's good. You're gonna love it. That is very good. The roasted oysters were a hit at Sorry Charlie's. I think that they were one of the best things we've had tonight. Highly recommend them. Somehow, we have one more stop on this food tour, so we're headed for ice cream. Successful trip to the ice cream shop. I had mint chip and Courtney got
Peanut butter chippy.
and Courtney got peanut butter chippy, of course. It was so tempting to get more scoops, but there's no way after the night we've had and all the dinners we ate that we can have 2 scoops of ice cream. Approved. It's so good. That concludes our trip to Savannah. I hope you had a great time. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. I'll catch you on the next adventure. This is my first time having a roasted oyster.